Hello everyone, I am Masood Ibn Abdul Wahid. Welcome to another video related to basic project developments. Actually, we are going to concentrate in controlling the electrical loads using Arduino. Electrical loads means those appliances I'm meaning which are rated for 230 to 40 volts. We are going to discuss the different means of controlling these electrical loads. So when we discuss about the control of electrical loads, this can be broadly classified into two categories. So by saying the word unconditional, it means we are going to control the electrical loads with reference to time. In the unconditional category, we will not have any sensor output values to control the electrical loads. So the main place where you can see these kind of unconditional control is our traffic lighting system. So where we will have fixed on time for green light, fixed time period for yellow light and fixed time for red light. So next category comes as conditional control, which is with reference to a control signal. So this control signal will be derived from any of the sensors. The controllability of any electrical load is not limited to the list what you are seeing here. Even still many kinds of sensor are there. By utilizing those sensors, we can control the load. We can develop our own big level projects. From this video, we are going to have practice for using these sensors and to use the Arduino board by video demonstrations. So let us start with the unconditional control of electric lamp. So all these categories of controllability we are going to see with the usage of Arduino microcontroller. Arduino is having many variants in that. The one what you are seeing here is Uno board. So as it is named as unconditional control, we are not going to use any sensors here. Just we are going to keep time as the reference parameter to switch on and switch off the lamp. So the circuit diagram for that one is given to you here. So as the Arduino microcontrollers, any output port is capable of delivering only 5 volt. So we cannot connect the 230 volt lamp directly into the Arduino microcontroller's output port. Between the Arduino microcontroller and the 240 volt electrical lamp, we are going to use a relay module, which is nothing but an electromagnetic coupling between the 5 volt control circuit and the 240 volt power circuit. So now we are going to see how we can physically do it. We opened the Arduino IDE. To download and install the Arduino IDE, I will give the link in the top. You can get installed with the latest Arduino IDE. After that, open the Arduino IDE. Now we are going to write the Arduino coding for unconditional on and off for an electrical lamp through relay module. So for that, we are in need of using one of the output port. Let me use the lamp in pin number 13. And now we will open the setup function. Inside this, we need to declare the pins whatever we are using. Now we are in need of using a lamp in the pin number 13. So we have to declare this pin. So for that, pin mode, it means we are going to declare whether the lamp pin is used in input mode or output mode. We are going to use the lamp pin as output. So simultaneously, by making the lamp on and off, we are going to see that change in the monitor also by using a serial communication. So for that, I'm going to set up a serial communication by this default statement, serial.begin. So this communication will be with a baud rate of 9600. So inside the loop function, we need to write the coding for the work what we need to do. So what we are going to do, we are going to actually switch on a lamp for a particular time period through relay module, and we are going to switch off the same electrical lamp through relay module. As I mentioned, the control of lamp is through a relay module. The relay module what we are going to use is an active low type, which means by sending a low level signal, it will become active. It will become excited. And by sending a high signal, the relay will be de-energized. So we have to write the coding accordingly. Inside the loop function, started with the digital write lamp low. By reading this statement, corresponding lamp pin will become 0, which makes the coil excited in the relay module. By that, the lamp will be switched on. So as we said, we are going to simultaneously see the status change in the serial communication. Serial dot print in the new line, add a statement lamp is on. So this statement, whatever you entered in between the codes, will be appearing on the serial communication monitor. Let this condition be delayed for 2 seconds. So the number whatever we are giving inside the delay function is having a unit of millisecond. So 2000 millisecond means the lamp will be switched on for 2 seconds. And the same set of statements we can copy and we can paste it one more time. Let us change the lamp off condition for 3 seconds. Now it's time to verify the code and upload it in the Arduino Uno board. So for doing that, go to the tools, select the Arduino board correctly, Arduino Uno, and select the communication port correctly, which is allotted for Arduino Uno, and you can click this tick button for verifying the code, and you can click this upload button to verify and upload the code. So now I am going to click this. By clicking this, you can see here it is starting the compiling work, and you can see the status of the compiling in the status bar. Done uploading. That means this code is taken and is uploaded in the Arduino Uno board. Now it's time to have the practice. So these are the items we are going to use. To begin with, this is the electrical lamp which we are going to control, and this is the breadboard. This is the Arduino Uno board, and these are some kind of sensor. This is the IR sensor. So this is the LDR, light dependent resistance, and this is the Bluetooth module, and this is some female to female, male to female, male to male connecting wires. Single channel relay module. This is the dual channel relay module, and we are going to use some electrical wires and some electrical 3-core cables, and this is the data cable for connecting the Arduino Uno board with the laptop. Some electrical and general tools we may use. So the circuit connection for the unconditional control of electric lamp is completed, and the operation you can see it now. Simultaneously you can see the serial monitor also. So this is called as unconditional control because we are not checking any conditions, we are not using any sensors, just according with reference to time we are controlling the lamp. By changing the on time period or off time period or both, we can have different timings for the control. So far we have discussed and we went into the hands-on training related to the unconditional control of the electrical lamp. Now we will go into the topic called as conditional on-off for an electrical lamp. The condition what we are going to fix here is with reference to LDR. So for that we are going to use the LDR, which is called as light dependent resistance. As I mentioned, this LDR will offer resistance in its output terminals depending on the intensity of the light falling on it. This is the circuit we are going to connect for control the lamp status with the LDR value. Now let us write the coding for the required control of the lamp. So we are going to utilize the LDR to decide the lamp status. So let us start from the same code what we have used for the unconditional control. So in this you have to include one more element, that is the LDR value. So because with this only we are going to change the status of the lamp. So let the LDR value will be declared as an integer, and so instead of these statements, let us just read what is the LDR value. So LDR value is equal to analog read. You can read the LDR value either in terms of analog value, or you can also read it in digital value. So let the LDR is connected with the analog pin number A0. So this statement will read the LDR value and keep it in the place LDR value. Let us print that on the monitor using serial communication. So serial.println. Now it is a simple program to read out the analog value, and we have just printed on the serial communication monitor. So we will practice this. After uploading the code, now the circuit what we have connected is, we have used a LDR. The LDR output is connected with the A0 pin. According to the light intensity variation, what is the change in the LDR output we are going to see. So just by opening the serial monitor, you can see different values are printing according to the light intensity. This light intensity variation creates a change in the LDR. Now, this analog signal, we are going to utilize it for controlling the electric lamp. Now let us get utilized by that analog read value. So here I am going to extend the program as, if the LDR senses the room is dark, then the lamp of the room will be switched on. If the LDR detects the room is bright, then the room's light will be switched off. So this is what condition based control of electric lamp. The connection is given as per the circuit diagram. So for this, the operation will be, the LDR output will be given to the A0 pin, and the A0 pin output will be compared whether it is greater than or less than the threshold value. If it is less than the threshold value, the lamp will be switched off through the relay module. Also, if the A0 value is more than the threshold value, then the same lamp will be switched on through the relay module. Now you can see the value of the LDR is printed here, and you can see that it is below the threshold value. The threshold value what we set is 1000. So the values which is available right now in the LDR is around 850 to 860. It is varying. And once you interrupt the light intensity on the LDR, the value of the LDR will go more than 1000, by which in turn the lamp will be switched on. So now I am interrupting the light. So this operation of the LDR can be utilized as a day-night sensor. So during the daytime, because of brightness, the lamp will be switched off, and during the night time, because of the darkness around the LDR, the lamp will be switched on. Hope the video was useful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel. For more videos are yet to come related to Arduino and the control of electrical equipments using Arduino. Hoping you to see in the next video. Until then, I am Masood Ibn Abdul Wahid signing off.